How to block a buyer on eBay AU. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is get into your selling. What you're going to do is tap on a selling icon right here, and if you have sold any of the item on eBay, or if your item is on a listing here, it will be all showed here, right? So after doing that, what you're going to do is simply navigate directly to the block buyers from the listing page that you'll be able to see. Like I said, tap on the exact item that you want to block the user from. Then you'll be able to see the option of block buyers, and then simply tap on it. Look at the text box label block buyers, tap on that one, then enter the exact eBay username of the member you want to restrict, or you can separate multiple names with commas too. And then from there, you can now tap on submit to permanently prevent those profiles from purchasing or bidding on your active story inventory. So yeah, that is exactly how you'll be able to block a buyer on eBay AU. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below. And that is it for the video.